Hello, scale model enthusiasts. This is Abraham from AR Model Forge, and I'm here to bring you the Su-27K Sea Flanker. This model kit is from Minibase, and it looks pretty good. Despite the appearance of the box, I have a couple of these that they're sold as is because of the box being smashed. But I assure you that the contents inside are fine. I was going to show you right now. It's half sealed, so you got one of these stickers are holding the box together. Okay, so you can see the seal right here. All right, but the other side's fine. Now this comes with a nice little poster. This poster does look great. It's, the other side has the painting of the sea flanker. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, actually, you can cut this off and frame it if you want. And actually, the whole of this is not damaged. It's just these corners here. All right. It might be the same way the other boxes that are smashed, but as you can see, the contents here, look, they're all smooth and still in packaging. All right. It seems that this model kit is very detailed. Got canopies there. You have all these other parts. Then you have these separate boxes for their missiles. All right. Remind you, this is 1/48 scale. The box being smashed didn't affect the parts inside. Okay. They got these little parts here. A bag within a bag. Comes with instructions. We're going to the bottom of this. And also has its own PE. It has some photo etch and decals, water slide decals. Pretty good thing here. Look at that. Pretty thing. More missiles. So this is for sale on my eBay site, AR Model Forge.